All right, welcome to this live session where we are going to be wrapping up the market for the day. Without any waste of time, let's just quickly move into the charts and conduct this review. If you are joining for the very first time, please, as you click on your play button, simply come into the settings tab right here. Okay, this one. Set your video quality to the 480 pixel so you can get a better view at your end. Okay. All right, if you have done so, I am sure you will get a better quality. Now into the Forex Factory economical calendar for those high impact news events for today. All of this were released into the market. We had a sudden news event coming from the sterling pound axis that rocked the market, especially in the sterling pound crosses. Well, let's go into the charts and draw our levels of support and resistance without any much of wasting our time here. We heard that Barnier may offer UK 2-year transition stay in the EU. That gave the sterling pounds plenty of strength to push in those directions. All right, looking into the euro against the American dollar, this is the 1 hour time frame. Let me just set this in here. All right, this is the 1 hour time frame. In the 1 hour time frame, we got a breakout of that trend line. All right, you can see that 1 hour trend line being broken to the downside. Upon that breakout, what are we getting? See the type of candles we are getting here. In fact, the breakout candle gave an indication that we don't have much of momentum to the downside. See the breakout candles? Can you see that? That's a poor breakout quality. That is an indication that we don't have enough volume to the downside. The euro against the American dollar remains bullish, and I am sure this is an area you want to be looking for buy opportunity with this pair. So we are going to delete this black line right now. It's not going to act anymore. You don't need to worry about that in your chart anymore. We are likely going to see price pushing to the upside, either for a possible range. Let's keep yesterday's low. Delete this line as well. We can keep today's high. Okay, let's see the 4 hours level of support. This green line right here. Let's zoom into the 4 hours time frame and see what we have. All right, you can see that 4 hours level of support. That one right here. Price is already reacting off that level. If this candle closes just the way it is right there, that is a signal to go long. That is one of the entry criteria I was talking about. I want to see some form of reversals around that area. Those two candles there, a combination of these two candles should give us this reversal. Okay, so if this candle closes just the way it is valid to click on your buy button. Price is going to likely struggle back up. Do not sell the euro against the American dollar. Price is still bullish in this pair. Okay, it's just a little hesitation for today. If you mark this level, that's the 4 hours level that we were talking about. If you draw a line around that point, you will see that upon the breakout, price only made a pullback to that level, and it's likely to push up again for tomorrow. I have said the euro against the American dollar is very likely to end the week on a bullish note, so do not sell around in here. Price should be pushing to the upside. Indeed, if at the close of market today, if this candle closed the way it is, I am going to be clicking on my buy button. It is an aggressive trade, and I will be happy to do that. I will post that in the channel, all right, in the Telegram channel, so you can see. I will post that, and I will update that as well in the channel, so you will know the progress of this trade. It is an aggressive trade. It carries a high degree of risk, so do not blame me, but at any rate, I am sure of what I am doing, and I am very hopeful that price will push to the upside in the euro against the American dollar. So my stop loss is going to be somewhere around in here, hiding it below that level of support. So my stop loss will be somewhere here, and I will allow that trade to run to the upside, cashing out my first profit target somewhere around in here. All right, so that's the plan for this one. I am watching the 4 hours time frame. As that current candle is going to close, I will be going long with the euro against the American dollar. All right, that is it. There is nothing much, nothing to talk about much here again. Let's see other pairs.